I can have you as well. I got this Scorpio 150 photo kiosk machine, photo booth. It's been sitting out in the weather for about a month or two. Made in Taiwan. Now, a lot of these machines are good quality. Yeah, I decommissioned it by smashing the screen in. Yeah, I rang up the I made some inquiries, rang up the CEO, and he goes, "Yep, just take it." So yeah, it's got a new touchscreen, an ELO touchscreen I got from work ages ago to replace the touchscreen in this, but my plan is to turn it into an arcade machine or a jukebox. Be perfect. Here's glass out of here. I've got some cleaning up to do. This screen's gone. It's all full of bloody glass. Gotta get this glass out of here. Windows XP embedded. Obviously, yeah. They come off to see what's on the hard drive. Anything confidential gets destroyed. That's if the hard drive is any good, but anyway, USB, a receipt printer. Got some glass to clean out of it. This card reader might come in handy. I'll clean this up, give it a good clean. A commercial card reader to replace the cheap shit in my computer. This is a decent quality one. USB in the back as well. Okay, that's pretty good. Doesn't have this, it's just USB only. Huh, good external card reader for using on the computers. But yeah, this is ELO touchscreen made in Japan. Yeah, she's been smashed to shit. That's the top here is pretty bad. I don't know about the LCD, but the LCD might still be okay, but depending how hard they hit it. Actually, no, the screen will be stuffed. The screen's bowed. The whole screen's all bowed in. Half a centimetre here, the screen will be buggered. So you've got to need a new screen. I'll dig out the ELO touch screen. I'll just plug a keyboard and mouse into this and use an ordinary screen. 12 to 5 volt DC out. I wonder what sort of motherboard it is. Being Taiwanese, could be a DFI or even a BioStar or something. Yeah, pretty good score. Just set outside and I was eventually going to get a scrap, so oh well, I thought I'd make some inquiries, and sure enough the CEO said I can have it. Weighs a ton. Only a digital photo printer. Cartridge goes in there. Wow. What a shame to throw it in the scrap bar roll. It's good in the way because if you're quick enough, you can easily yeah, ask whoever's in charge, and if you get the all clear, you can take it. It works out good in that way. I might get this computer out. I haven't got to find the screen connector. It looks like it's in here. It looks like it could be just an ordinary interface. Serial port, graphics down there, we are. Beautiful. Right. Yeah. Custom mainboard in here. Get this computer out and I'll give it a clean and power it up and set it up on the bench. Make a nice jukebox out of this. No touchscreen though, so I'll lose the ability to have the touchscreen. I could rig up something on here with joysticks on it, have a little screen, so it still work as an arcade machine. I know a guy I worked with, he loves his arcade machine, he would love this. This is a receipt printer. Make it print out smiley faces and stuff. It comes with some rolls of photo paper. Comes on a roll. The spare roll there, and all the instructions. Got narrow OEM suite on it. And let's continue pulling this thing apart. Receipt printer, basically you process your photos and it prints out your receipts and you pay at the checkout when you get your groceries. Powered by this 24 volt DC. It's a DC to DC converter, 12 to 24 volts. Kinda cool. Come handy if you want to run 24 volt server fans in your computer case. I'll pull it apart and I'll clean it, and yeah, handy your USB ports or USB expansion. I can only those top bottom screws down here. Get the computer out. Show about that screen though. Would have been a nice touch screen. I've only got the ELO one, should fit. It uses a different interface though. It uses an RS232 interface. It's got that too. Wonder how hard that'll be. Yeah, we'll see. No audio, the speakers are down there, but there's no audio going to the speakers. Cute little things. 8 ohms too white. Anyway, let's get this computer out. Nice printer, big Sony printer. The cartridge is taken out, so yeah, there's no cartridge or anything in it. I've taken all the goodies out before I got to it and punched the screen in by the looks of it. Good fans. I'll give them a good relube. All Taiwanese made too. Taiwanese made stuff's actually quite good these days compared to Chinese shit you buy from the bloody cheap computer stores. I got a USB type, this type connector to a motherboard connected converter cable off the Asus server, and I could run this in the other computer. Let's see, ATEC flash technology made in China, 2007, 5th month. And even got a little shutter on a CFMD slot. SD card, yep, it's got the SD card. Locked. Alright, viewers, let's give it a test. That sounds like a pretty old hard drive. There we go. Booting up. Pentium 4, 2.4 gigahertz. Max Store, 40 gigabyte hard drive by the looks of it. CMOS checksum error, defaults loaded. F1 to continue. A bit older than I thought, because apparently the newer ones of these use Core i5s. This, well, an earlier one. Wow, it's an older sounding hard drive. Yeah. Well, the rescue the product key and everything off it. Keep all that. The rest, confidential shit's going to have to be destroyed. Make a MAME thing out of it. Arcade machine out of it. It's only got 512 megabytes of RAM. I've got some more DDR1 sticks to put in this, though. Actually, this will make a nice wall PC. Perfect for that. A wall PC. Got this PCI riser card, I can put a GPU in there. Perfect. I put a GPU on that, because the onboard graphics will be pretty shit on this thing. This would be a pretty good machine once I let up the, put a GPU on this. I don't know what power supply is capable of that. I don't know if I run it. What's going on here? Oh, here we go, it's loading this thing up by default. Fence service, print the digital camera file simply and quickly. Here's wait. Oh no, I gotta touch it. I haven't got the touch screen here. That's all it does. That's bugger. Well, it all works, you just can't do anything with it. Alright. So if I can try to delete it. It's got like a little thing that goes through here. Control delete. There we go. 1st of the 1st, 2003 it was on. I go to Task Manager. In that spoiler. In that. In that. In that. I'm going to go new task. Yeah, it's not quite what you expect it to be. Let's see here, file. Yeah, I might let me get to a new task. Programs. Nothing. Can't explore it. Yeah, it's all embedded system, so yeah, it's not like a normal Windows XP where it's a full desktop computer. It's all just runs its own custom software. Alright, let's shut this thing down. We're gonna, let's see, log off. Give it a good look inside, open it up, have a good look at the, what sort of motherboard's in this thing. No password, so I'll just log straight in. So we'll turn that off. Alright, let's open this thing up, have a good look inside. Wow, look how blocked up that bloody CPU cooler is. I can't see in there. Whoa, and that was a Pentium 4 too. Wow. This could have burnt the bloody whole supermarket down. Pentium 4 especially, under that sort of bloody dust. Oh my god. I'm going to strip this thing apart completely. It's only got to work with 2 sticks. 2 1GB sticks maximum I think it's up to support. Hopefully it'll support up to at least 2GB of RAM. It's going to make it good for gaming. Wow, this is dirty. Dirty. This customizer board goes in here, which runs all the inputs. Interesting. Quite a small little embedded motherboard actually. Clean up quite well. Yeah, I have to use a USB converter to run the other touch screen on this thing. So there's one here, I've got the 2 grounds, these 3 interfaces the screen uses one over here. It's quite a complex integrated bit of kit. Who makes this board I wonder? Doesn't say who made the board. Custom board. Doesn't say who made it. It's custom Taiwanese made motherboard. No branding on it. Could be bog standard Intel or BioStar or DFY, but usually I would say. Yeah, another component can go in here or even here. Interesting. Alright, that's much cleaner now. I could probably run Windows 98 in this and make a DOS gaming rig out of it. Oh yeah, a DOS gaming rig. Let's see the hard drive, little Chinese lasagna packet Mac store. This is where Seagate got their low profile audio from. This designer Mac store drive. Made in China, 40GB Diamond Max, 9th of August 2005. Wow, look at that. Quite nice and compact. I get the disk health monitor on it, see what's the health status of it is. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.